Tired of financial chaos and struggling to keep track of your Stripe deposits? Let's dive straight into how to record and manage deposits within your Stripe account. For effortless financial tracking, first, log into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are in, look for the balance section, usually found on the left-hand side menu or the main overview page. Click on it to access your balance details. Here, you'll see a breakdown of your available balance, which is the money ready to be paid out, and your pending balance, representing funds still being processed. To see the details of your deposits, click on the View Transactions button or a similar link that directs you to your transaction history. Now, filter your transactions to specifically show deposits. This will give you a clear view of all the money that has been deposited into your bank account from Stripe. Click on any individual deposit to view its detailed information, including the date of the deposit, the amount, and the bank account it was deposited into. You can also often find a transaction ID here, which is super useful for reconciliation. Now, for accurate financial reporting, record these deposits in your accounting software or spreadsheet. Include the date, a description like Stripe deposit, the amount, and categorize it as income. Regularly reconciling your Stripe deposits with your bank statements ensures accuracy and simplifies your bookkeeping. And that's it. For more in-depth information and troubleshooting, explore Stripe's comprehensive documentation or help center. Happy tracking!